Check it out. 3.14. Welcome families and learners, all you high mark earners, to Lester B. Pearson High School, Calgary's crowning jewel. Here you'll make some friends and use up some pens, and when it's all complete, the world you'll be ready to beat. We look like scary creatures, but we're just teachers, a lot of fanatics, teaching you mathematics. We want to see you succeed in every word and deed, and become a lot smarter as you work harder. For peak opportunities, you're in full year communities. You'll study math all year, so time you won't fear. There's Math 10 combined for those mathematically refined, or you could take 10-3 to prepare for a trades degree. And if you want to work hard like a Praetorian guard and earn an extra degree, you could take pre-IB. Now jump on your horses, let's check out both courses. They both have trig and measurement for your enlightenment, but 10C has relations using algebra foundations, and 10-3 at a glance has logic and finance. Throughout high school, we thought it'd be cool if there's no 4-point scale, but an option to fail. We use percentage grades to express your accolades. Each outcome has a mark, you're not left in the dark. This might sound like hocus, but it shows you where to focus. If you want to graduate at the right date, you need your math to be 20 level, you see. If you want to get nerdy and enroll in Math 30, it would help you a lot for university shot. If you pass 10C, you got choices 3. If you pass 10-3, just 1 obviously. Complete the -3 track and you cannot hack into -2 or -1 until 10C you have done. If you're taking 10C, then listen to me. Your calculator needs to be one of these you see. These are very specific, not just scientific. And if you're in doubt, give your teacher a shout. Thank you for your time. It's been real sublime. If you have a question, then I've got a suggestion. Check out our website and you should be alright. But if you're still dumbstruck, email Mrs. Yaschuk. Good luck in high school. 2.7. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.